its British public air show debut, the Lockheed Martin F-35B Lightning II. The Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows, leading in the Lockheed Martin F-35B Lightning II and a pair of Eurofighter Typhoons. The aircraft is made by Lockheed Martin, with Northrop Grumman and BAE Systems as primary subcontractors. Now, look to your left and you'll see the pilot coming in for the first of two high-speed passes. Ladies and gentlemen, the F-35B Lightning. As a fifth-generation air platform, the most advanced in the world. Uses a combination of integrated sensors, weapons technology, and its low observability or stealth properties. Stealth technology allows the aircraft to fly in enemy airspace without being detected by radars that older aircraft cannot evade. The combination of stealth features, the APG-81 active electronically scanned array radar, the electronic warfare suite, advanced optics, and the ability to carry weapons internally means that the Lightning can engage targets at long ranges whilst avoiding detection. And from the decks of Britain's biggest warships. The Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carriers are being built in Scotland and are the only aircraft carriers in the world designed specifically for the F-35B Lightning. Technologies in the world. Its short takeoff and vertical landing capability will see it serve on board Britain's new Queen Elizabeth-class carriers and to work out of locations inaccessible to conventional tactical aircraft. The Lightning brings the most powerful and comprehensive integrated sensor package on any fighter aircraft in history. Pilot Hugh Nichols will now bring the aircraft to a hover at Crowd Centre. The entire weight of the aircraft will be supported by the thrust from the lift fan, main engine and roll control nozzles, collectively generating up to 40,000 pounds of thrust. This ability to hover is unique to the F-35B variant and is what allows it to be based on board aircraft carriers and in austere environments. Now let's listen to the power of that engine. After touchdown, the pilot will command the aircraft to convert back to conventional mode. This causes the lift fan to disengage and all the doors to close. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes the demonstration of the F-35B Lightning. The Royal Air Force, Royal Navy and the United States Marine Corps hope you've enjoyed this awesome display of the future of combat air power. Thank you very much, Hoggy. A wonderful display of hovering there from the F-35B, and now it's over to Squadron Leader Mike Ling.
Thank you, Ben. A very good afternoon, ladies, gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Squadron Leader Mike Ling, and I'm Red 10, the supervisor with the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows.